You know, it's 5:36 in the morning. You know how they say early birds gets the worm? Well, first of all, it's beautiful here in Antalya in Turkey. But tip, okay, this is a life-saving tip. If you do not get these things, if you do not reserve them, if you like don't throw your towel on them at like 5 o'clock in the morning, all of this will be taken and you will have no way to lay into the sun and enjoy it. You'll have to like probably fight for the things to lay on. Valuable hack. Follow us for more life-saving tips. Yeah. Yes.